Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I have created a playlist for push notification using React Native, Firebase and Node.js. This playlist has 4 videos. First one is the Firebase console configuration, second one for the React Native project configuration, third one for the client side coding for the React Native and trigger notification from the Firebase. Fourth is for the Node.js server, all the coding and the triggering notification from the Node.js. So you need to watch all this video carefully to better understanding and subscribe to the channel and drop your topic in comments. I will create video as soon as possible. So let's start. First we need to create React Native project. I have added project creation link in description so anyone can refer it. Now we need to sign up on Firebase, and once we sign up we'll get this interface. Now let's click on the create project. I will add here the name of the project. Here is asking for the enable Gemini or AI assistant, so we'll keep it enable. Here is asking for the Google Analytics, let's keep it enable also. Here we need to choose a Google account, or we can create Google account from here. I will set default account. Let's click on the create project. Now let's wait here. Once it's finished, click on the continue. Then we get this interface. Let's close this Gemini. Now go to this gear and project setting. At the bottom we'll get options to add application. So let's select Android. Here we need to add package name. For that, go to the project, search for the build.gradle, which is under Android app folder. Here we have application ID and namespace. You can simply copy and paste it over here. This is optional, so let's leave it and click on register app. Clicking on this button will download Google Service JSON file. So the file is downloaded. Now we need to put this file into the app folder. So go to the project. Here in the Explorer there is an Android folder. Under it there is a app folder. Add our service that JSON file into the app folder. Now you can see here file is added. Click on the next. Now we need to add dependency. We can refer this instruction. Add dependency as per the file system. We'll add it later. As in this video we are not focusing on the Firebase console configuration, so click on next and click continue. We can see here the Android app is added. Clicking on this button you can see this instruction again. Now let's add iOS application. Same here, we need to add bundle ID. For that we need to open project in the Xcode. Expand iOS folder. Right click on the project.exe box. Revealing vendor. Double click on this workspace. It will open the Xcode. Now click on this. Here in general tab there is bundle identifier or sign in and compatibilities. There is also bundle identifier. Copy it and paste it over Firebase console. Those two are optional, so leave it. Now same here we can download service and copy list. As per the instruction here, we need to add info list into the project folder. So we have added here. Now let's go to the console, click on next. Here is also we need to add dependency. We'll see it later. Click on next. Now we need to add some line of code as per the file system. We'll add it later. Or now click on next and continue. You can see iOS app also added. Now go to the Xcode. Right click on the project folder on the top and select here add files to the project. Go to the iOS folder, then here at project folder select the info list and make sure this project name is checked and finish. We have added application successfully. Now we need to enable Firebase cloud messaging API. For that, go to the project setting. Here we need to manage service account. Click on this link. Now search here for the cloud messaging, some keyword like that. Cloud messaging. So here it is, Firebase Cloud Messaging API. Click on this. For now, it is unable for me. You can see the enable button over here. If you visit first time, now go back. Click on this account and also make sure it is enabled. Here is Firebase console configuration is done. In next video, we'll see how to install Firebase and set up React Native projects on notification. Thank you for the watching.